TheJbeans.net.
Welcome to part 1 of our 4-part deck-by-deck comprehensive tour of the MS Nieuw Amsterdam, a Holland America Line signature class ship. In this video, we'll cover decks A through 2. The Medical Center is located on Deck A midship, below Deck 1, and can be accessed via the forward elevators and stairs. The Medical Center has regular hours for treatment of routine medical conditions. Medical officers are available for emergencies 24 hours a day, and fees are billed to your shipboard account. At the front of the ship on Deck 1 is the wheelchair-accessible route to the first floor level of the main stage theater. This venue, which can also be accessed from Decks 2 and 3 forward, features singing, dancing, comedy, and illusionist performances in the evening. On our cruise, it was also the location for educational lectures, movies, bingo, and Sunday religious services. ADA and companion seating was available. The venue is located just forward of the elevators and stairs at the front of the ship. Guest services is located midship on Deck 1 in the atrium area on the port side or left side of the ship. Guest services functions much like a hotel's front desk. Staff can assist you with questions regarding your stateroom and shipboard account. Daily quiz, Sudoku, and newspaper printouts are also available daily. The atrium area also features seating, a future cruise desk for those wishing to book future cruises, and the desk of the port shopping ambassador. At the front of the ship on Deck 2 is an entrance to the main stage theater venue, which can also be accessed from Decks 1 and 3 forward. The casino is located on Deck 2 midship, aft of the main stage theater, on the port side or left side of the ship. It features both slot machines and table games, such as blackjack, roulette, and craps. Tucked away around the corner from the casino on Deck 2, on the port side of the ship, is the art-themed gallery bar. On our cruise, it was the location for book club meetings and evening trivia games. Just off of the casino, on the starboard side or right side of the ship, the Billboard onboard area offers nighttime performances by singing pianists. During the day, it was the location for the daily team trivia challenge and mixology classes. Also located midship is a venue that hosts America's Test Kitchen during the day, and then transforms into B.B. King's Blues Club in the evenings. America's Test Kitchen offers complimentary cooking demonstrations developed by the most-watched cooking show on American public television. Complimentary recipe cards were provided. On our cruise, hands-on workshops were offered for a fee. B.B. King's Blues Club featured a very popular 8-piece band at night. Much later in the evening, a DJ provided dance music beginning at 11:30 p.m. This area was also a location of morning mass, line dance classes, and some BBC Earth presentations. Overlooking the atrium on Deck 2, on the port side or left side of the ship, the Pinnacle Grill is an additional fee restaurant that serves a menu featuring premium cuts of meat, seafood, and vegetarian entrees, as well as boutique wines. complimentary daily afternoon tea is also served in this venue, and Rudy's Selle de Mer featuring French cuisine was offered in the restaurant as a one-time pop-up culinary event on our cruise. The nearby Pinnacle Bar on the starboard or right side of the ship offers sip and savor events each evening featuring wine selections paired with pre-dinner appetizers. The venue also hosts events throughout the cruise, such as a towel folding class and meetups for single or solo travelers. The art gallery is located on Deck 2 midship, just aft of the atrium area on the starboard side or right side of the ship. A variety of collections are featured, from fine art to limited edition prints. The Lincoln Center stage, in partnership with the Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts, features recitals in the afternoon and live chamber music performances in the evening. The Explorers Lounge is located just aft of the Lincoln Center stage. Continuing towards the back of the ship, the Microsoft Digital Workshop is located on Deck 2 aft and offers complimentary classes for learning Microsoft computer software and other computer essentials. The lower level of the main dining room is at the back of the ship on Deck 2. The venue was a dining option for breakfast and dinner on each day of our cruise. While lunch was not served in the dining room every day of our cruise, it was available to all guests on embarkation day, as well as a couple of other times on our cruise. Opening times are listed in the ship's when and where daily schedule.